Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and to our series on building an ADU here in Charlotte, North Carolina. First up, let's take a look at the plumbing rough-in. Here you can see the setups for the kitchen. We have got plumbing lines ready for refrigerator, sink, a washer hookup and a tankless electric water heater. In the bathroom, we got shower, toilet and the bathroom vanity. Everything's looking clean and ready for the next phase. Now moving over to HVAC. We have got the rough ends for the vents happening here. First is the kitchen microwave vent and next up the dryer vent and the bathroom exhaust vent running through the house. It's always exciting seeing all the pieces coming together like this. Here we are setting up the mini split system. We are going with an 18,000 BTU unit, which should be more than enough to keep this space comfortable year round. On the outside, you can see the bathroom vent ducted out to the soffit. We had to run it this way because there is an LVL beam across the bathroom roof trusses and you definitely don't want to cut into an LVL. Now let's check out the electric rough-ins. Here you can see the electricians running wire for all the outlets, kitchen appliances and ceiling lights. Our tankless electric water heater pulls about 75 amps, which is a lot more than a regular water heater that usually only needs a 20 to 30 amp breaker. So definitely talk to your electrician if you are planning something similar. We added a few LED lights into the front and back patio area and ran wiring for a ceiling fan on the back patio too. And don't forget, for all your exterior outlets, be sure to use the right flashing to avoid any future water damage. Here is the left side of the house where we place the electric meter. We chose this spot because the power lines of this slot come in from the left side. So it makes it easier for the utility company to run electric wire from the street. And finally, here is the wiring for the mini split compressor unit and also for the sump pump. Everything's ready for the next steps. Stay tuned for more updates as we keep building out this ADU. You don't want to miss it.